Redbox Design Group were awarded the conceptual design phase of Coombs Edgeworth. As creatives, we often want to put our own spin and flair on other people's creative vision. So having someone understand your vision and support your vision from the beginning to turn it into reality is something that we value with Fleetwood. It was a wonderful process working with Fleetwood. The iterative nature of the process, the design knowledge, the construction knowledge, the response to our concept, and the drive to maintain our creative was there the whole way along. It's really rewarding to see the fruits of your labour come to reality and to have people playing and experiencing the space that you've created. This site had no natural vegetation, no established trees. So to have replicated a forest environment with the leaf structures and then have the birds move back in and build a nest is really lovely, of integrating nature back into a created environment.